Hey everyone, welcome back to new content of Cybrosys. In today's video, we are going to discuss about how to split bills among different customers in Odoo 17 POS. In Odoo 17 POS system, bill splittings allow you to divide the bill among multiple customers. That can be a restaurant bill or a bar's bill. And this is useful in a case of a group of people are dining together and they want to just pay for their items separately. And you can just split a bill based on product or by customers. So let's see, how can we just manage this feature in Odoo 17 POS module? So for that, first you have to just navigate into the configuration settings, and in the configuration settings, we have to enable the bill splitting. So this allows to split the bills among the different customers for their specific products. So we have just enabled this feature. So once you have just done with this feature, you can just save the changes in the configuration settings. Later on, you can just move on to the restaurant. So here we can just open the restaurant, and here you can see that we can just set the opening balance. That is the opening cash over here. So let's open this session, and here we know in a table there are different people who are dining together. So let's choose the table 1 because there are 6 people in the table. They are just dining together. So they have made just different orders for different items like bacon burger, cheeseburger, chicken curry sandwich, Fanta, espresso, then Coca-Cola, club sandwich. Later on, they want green tea, iced tea, and lunch. And later on, they also want lunch salmon. So they have just made multiple orders, and here you can see the total of the order, and here we can just split the bills. So as we have just enabled the feature from the configuration settings, that is this allow split bills, you can see a button called split over here. So as you set split over here, you can see that we can just split this among the users. Like we can just choose a particular product and go to payments, and here you can see we can just choose a customer. So Edison is just going to make the payment for the item that he had, and we can just choose the payment method over here, and he's going to make the payment. So here we can just set the payment also. Later on, we can just click on validate, and you can see that he has successfully made his payment. Now, as we have just enabled the splitting and all, we can just continue with the process. Now let's go to continue, and here you can see that the other products over here, and we can just choose the other product as cheese burger, and let's choose a split method, or we can either choose by choosing the split button, or you can just directly manage from the POS orders, and here you can choose the item, and later on click on payment, and here you can just choose it as cash restaurant, and later on you can just log the customers also, and here Azure Interior is going to make payment for the item that he had, and click on validate. Likewise, you can just continue with the process until the entire payment is done. So it's very easy to manage the bill split or splitting bill among multiple customers in a group. And that's all about the video. If you want any Odoo customization or Odoo tutorials, feel free to contact Cybrosys. As always, stay awesome, and thank you for watching the video.